Hey everyone, welcome to Bizistech channel. I hope you are doing good. Today we are come up with a new topic, that is Amazon post. In this video I will discuss about Amazon post, why we create it, its feature, where you can find it, and how to be successful by creating post on Amazon. And at the last I will tell you about how we can create Amazon post on Seller Central account. So let's start. First, I will discuss what is Amazon Post. Amazon Post allows brand registered sellers to share a unique lifestyle images and product related content through a feed that looks similar to other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Here a question arises that why should we create post on Amazon? A couple of reasons that encourages sellers to create posts on Amazon Seller Central account. The first one is boost product discovery and sales, which means post gives shoppers a new way to find your Amazon product listing page and discover your brand. Post gives shoppers a new way to find your Amazon product listing and discover your brand. By being more on Amazon, you can improve your brand awareness and grow your revenue potentials. The second one is show up on competitor listing for free. This means brands usually pay to appear on competitor product detail pages, but on post it's free and automated by the Amazon. The third one is showcase your product creatively. Creating a stunning post sets you apart from your competitors. With posts, you are not limited to the Amazon product listing rules. For using product only with a white background, you can write captions that relate to your audience subject to Amazon post guidelines. And the last one is build your community on Amazon, which means post personifies your brand and your followers, which becomes your online community. So let's move forward. Here we are going to cover some features of Amazon Post. One of the best thing about Amazon Post right now, it's free. Free exposure of your brand on the universe's largest shopping search engine can never be a bad thing. The second one is Post helps your brand stand out. Many brands are using it, so it's give you another way to stand in a Amazon market. The third features of Amazon Post is no limited. You can add as many posts as you like. And the main feature of Amazon Post is unlike the PPC, there is no cost per click right now. The next point we are going to cover that where we can find the Amazon Post. For this, shoppers can see posts mainly on product detail pages on the mobile or mobile web browsers. This is not for our desktop users. Here you can see some places where posts will be displayed. The number one is product detail pages. On product detail pages, a crucial of post labels related posts can be found towards the bottom of the pages above the customer question sections. A second place where you can find the post is related post feed, where a vertical feed is shown after clicking an image on the related Amazon product feed or related post. A third place where you can find your post is category based feed. You can also find posts in category feed and those shown after clicking on one of the category tags. And the last main place where you can find the post is brand feed. In this vertical feed shown after clicking on the profile banner. Here I want to share some tips with you by which you can be successful with your Amazon post. Tip number 1, post multiple times a day, which means the more you post, the more people will see your post and get to know your brand. Tip number 2, use eye-catchy pictures. As with many social media posts, your images is what initially catches people's attentions and get them to stop and read. Tip number 3, add some curiosity. You can entice people to read your entire post by making your headline something they have to continue reading to find the answer to. For example, how not to use a Toro. Tip number 4, your image quality is a reflection of your brand. Keep in mind these images might be the first time a shopper meets your brand. So poor quality images will reflect poorly. Ensure you have to quality control when it's comes to choosing your images. So let's move forward to Service Center account and see how we can create Amazon post. So here we are in Amazon Seller Center. Click on Advertising tab and scroll down on Campaign Manager, then click on it. You come up on the page Campaign. Here you can see these dots. Click on it, then click on the post. Here you can see a graph which shows a viewable impression, engagement, product click, and how many people reaches your post which you are creating earlier. For creating post, you have to click on create post button which is shown on upper right hand corner. Then the dashboard will be loading, which allows you to create and preview your post. Here you can see a post which I have already created. You can start by uploading a photo for your Amazon post. Each post will features one image. When choosing your image, keep in mind the following requirement must be followed. One thing that you should note, your image does not contain the following things: a combination of logos, a cluster of elements like highlighting a multiple products in a collage, or an animations. One thing that you have to keep in mind that your image does not contain the following things: a brand logo, a combination of logo, a cluster of elements, highlighting multiple products in a collage, or an animation. The next step you have to cover is write your caption. Caption have a limit of 22 characters. Amazon will only allow the first 2 lines. Treat these lines as your headlines. Your headline should not be a dull. Once you add your image, and the next step is enter your product ASIN, which will provide Amazon with an appropriate link for your Amazon post. This link will take a shoppers to your product listing if they click on your Amazon post. So make sure your ASIN is correct. With your image uploaded, caption written, and ASIN provided, you can preview and submit your post to Amazon. In the post builder right hand corner, you can see what your post will look like on Amazon. Double check for any error like typos and then click submit for reviews. After Amazon approves, your post can be monitor its performance at post. One thing you should keep in mind that you can create an unlimited number of posts, so take advantage of these features to build brand and product awareness and as well as drive sales. I think so that everything is clear now. If you have any questions, still you can add into a comment section. So if you like the videos, please like, comment and share our video. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channels. Thank you.